Oh boy, now show this guy for take come out. Oh, this is for don't chop am, chopping bone, chopping spirit join. If they do work, why not they do this kind of risky work? Cause these guys, their brain no dey with them. Get as you go be them one day, they will chop who they help them out. Which kind of thing be this one? Like say the guy no brave, they try dodge some kind of thing. I saw this thing for just collect hand first, can't collect other parts. Ha! Some kind of work, eh? I don't know how much you want pay me like this. What can they do? How much? Unless you give me AK now, I make a wear AK in case, you know, that kind of thing. I go pull up. You release some granite. Alright, so we're gonna watch you encourage me to make you do this kind of work. You go feed do you will watch yes, you go feed do. Alright, so make I hear from you, make I know what you think. Which kind of risky job you go feed do and the one we no go feed do, irrespective of how much they want pay you. Alright, so catch you. Ciao ciao.